Hey guys, this is Mohammad Rashid and today we are going to learn that how we can configure OPC server on RSView 32 SCADA software with RSLinx Classic gateway. As you can see that my PLC is communicating with SCADA on Ethernet IP driver. Now to check it's communicating properly with SCADA, click on Communication tab and go on Driver Diagnostic. On Driver Diagnostic page, we can see the total packet sent and received status. Okay, move on. Our main topic is how we can create OPC server. So click on DDE/OPC and then click on topic configuration. Then we can see the topic list. Here we can add new name, as I have added a name emulsion_path. This name is for RSView 32 SCADA access path. Okay, now I am going to open a project on RSView 32. So after the project open, we have to go on Edit Mode tab. And then click on System folder. As we can see, lots of options appear. So first we will do channel setup. Double click on the channel and then select network type. Because the PLC is communicating with SCADA on Ethernet IP, so select TCP IP on network type. And then select our primary communication driver. From drop down box is AB_Ethernet IP1 and then click OK. Now we have to set node. So click on node and this will show node assignment screen. Select a data source OPC server. Check the enable checkbox and give the source meaningful name. Then we will browse for the server. To browse for the server that you want to connect, click the button to the right of the name text box. This will show you list of available server in the OPC server browser window. Select RSLinx OPC server from the list of server and click OK. RSView allows you to create the node or without an access path. By leaving the access path blank, RSView can link to any tag within the server from this node. This means you can access tags from multiple devices in the server application. Had we entered an access path, only tags from a single device could be accessed through this node. Check enable so that the node will connect to the server when you run your RSView project. I have given the access path name emulsion_path. Then click accept and close. This will show you server in your node list. So this is the process to set up the OPC server. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.